Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got a Dyson vacuum in need of some new filters, check these ones out. So these filters from Lemige were the perfect replacements for my Dyson vacuum. So these are compatible with several different models of Dyson, but you want to make sure they will fit the model that you have. So I chose the 2+2 pack, which includes 2 of the post filters, 2 of the pre-filters, and a little cleaning tool, which is very helpful. It has a little brush on the end and also a little tool to get out like hair and little debris and things like that, so that's great. These are super easy to install. You literally just take out the old one and place the new one in, and the filter on the back is just a screw on, screw off. It's very easy, and then you're in business. So these are actually recommended to be changed every 2 to 3 months, and I don't know about you, but this is not something I think of very often, so it's nice to get a 2-pack so that I will have some on hand for when I finally remember to do this. So this just keeps your Dyson vacuum working its best and makes it easier to continue cleaning your home with it. So I am really happy with these replacement filters, and that's my point of view.